Hey y'all, so as you can see from the title, it's giveaway time. I've been meaning to do this for a long time. I'm now at over 500 subscribers and it's been well over a year since I started my YouTube channel. So just as a thank you for everyone for subscribing and keeping up with me and liking and commenting and favoriting my videos, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Start today, February 7th, and end on March 6th. So you have a month to do everything, and the sun is going down. Anyways, so yeah, you'll have a month, and you must be a subscriber. So if you're not, hit the subscribe button. I want you to like this video. And if you're 18 or old, if you're 18, you must be 18 or older. If you're not, then just make sure your parents know that you'll be having something coming in the mail. But I think most of my subscribers, or most of y'all, are over 18, to my knowledge. And then I want you to comment on this video only, which of my quote-unquote roots you are here for, whether it's my Haitian roots, meaning my cooking, or my hair roots, meaning natural hair. So with that being said, and based on which roots you came here for is going to be the prize that you want, or rather I'll say write down which roots prize you want. You get it? So if you want a prize dealing with the Haitian cuisine, then you're going to write my Haitian roots. And if you want something to do with natural hair, then you want to say, I want your natural roots. You know what I'm saying? So, but all that will be in the description box so you know exactly what to say. But either way, I'll understand. So let's get on to the prizes. Natural hair, what you're gonna get is a spray bottle, nail polish. I just saw it and I thought it was a really pretty color, great for when summertime comes. It's gonna be summertime soon. It's by NYC. It's in Pier 17. Okay. Then you're gonna get 2 sets of headbands. These headbands, there's a black, a pink, and a blue. And this is what I actually use. Sorry, I use these to do my puff. And then these thicker ones, I also use these. You're gonna get some Eco Styler gel, and you're gonna get this travel kit, which helps. Like, you can put whatever you want in here. I love these. I actually use this. I put my when I mix the Kimmy Tube leave-in, I use these, and but these don't really help much, so I would suggest not to use that. And then it comes with these little canisters. Okay. And I'll be adding more throughout that month that people will be entering. So don't just think this is the only thing you're getting. Okay, and the same goes for the Haitian Roots giveaway. So what you'll be getting is a plantain press, or yeah, plantain press. Chocolate. This is Haitian chocolate. This is the tutorial that I have up. So if you know that you're allergic to chocolate, please do not say that you want to win the Haitian prize, because you won't be getting, there's no point if you know that you're allergic. Okay? Oh, okay. And then you're gonna get a hand grater, which goes hand in hand with this. Okay? And you'll be getting a strainer, because when you make the hot chocolate, you don't want all those grains, so this is going to be really helpful. And again, it doesn't seem like a lot for the Haitian cuisine, but I will be adding more. I actually want to add in some Goya that we use to season the chicken, and some other cooking stuff. So that'll be a surprise whenever you receive it. So yeah, that is about it. So yeah, just leave a comment whether you want to win a prize of my Haitian roots or my natural roots. And then be a subscriber, 18 or older. Like this video, And what else was there? I think that's it. So you have until March 6th to enter, okay? So, and March 6th at 11:59 Eastern time. Whatever. And then probably either the next day or on sometime that week, I will announce the winner through random.org. So yeah, make it fair. So yeah, so, oh, and you can enter as many times as you want. No limit. Many times, as many days for a whole month, okay? So, thanks so much, you guys. See y'all later.